Welcome to how to configure and use incident matching in BMC Helix Remedyforce. When using incident matching, it's important to remember the following. Incidents can only have one parent link, so you can't have two top-level incidents. There must be one parent, and then there can be multiple child links. The search is case sensitive. When incidents are linked, there's an option to set the status. Which status is the default status is configurable, and the status is incident matching only sets the status and cannot update or does not update other fields. The fields listed in match by are controlled by the incident matching field set. So if you'd like to match by queue or staff or owner or another field, you can add those fields to the incident matching field set, and then they'll appear in the list of options for matching. For additional information, see the link at the bottom of the page. Incident matching is accessed by Agent Tools, Incident Matching. And the match by, the defaults are account, client, and category. You can uncheck any combination or have any combination, click Apply. Takes a second or two for it to populate. And then let's say we wanted to search by hardware, and the search is case sensitive. And then we would select from these tickets. It's important to understand that you can only link open tickets. So closed tickets, the link will be grayed out. So we can link selected records as children or parent. If we select more than one, the parent will be grayed out, and we have to link them as children. So we'll go ahead and link these. When we click link, you'll notice the default value is closed. We can change this. If we click link and update status, these incidents will be closed when they're linked to the parent incident. So we'll click link. It's important to remember when using the incident matching that if fields are required, the validation rule will not be surpassed. So I'll have to go and populate the fields on these incidents if I want to close them or disable the validation rule. So I'll go and disable the validation rule. Okay, I'm back, and I've disabled the validation rule, so we should be able to link and update status, set the status of these incidents to closed. Now we go to incident details, and see these incidents are linked, and if we open them, they will be closed. And we see here the status of the incident is closed. Now we'll go back into the console, and let's go to incident matching, and this time change the fields for match by. So the way we do that is we go into setup in Salesforce, and we go to objects, object manager, and we locate the incident object. Click the incident object, click field sets, and we want to edit the incident matching field set, and we'll drag Q onto the match by and then click save. Now we go back to the Remedyforce console. We'll reload incident. We'll go to incident matching, and now the Q is available. So if we uncheck these and click apply, we can see incidents filtered, and in the same queue, in this case the queue is blank. We can now search for records to match that are in the same queue. Let's search for AutoCAD. It's important to remember it's case sensitive. And here are the incidents that are associated with AutoCAD and in the same queue, in this case no queue. So we'll link this one, and then we'll link and update the status to set it to close like the rest. So now the incident is linked and closed. The last thing we'd like to show is how to change the default status in incident matching. When we go to link a record, the default status is closed. This can be changed. Click Remedyforce Administration, Configure Application, Status, and then select the default status for incident matching. Let's pick Accepted, and tick Default Link Status. Click Save. Now when we go into the Remedyforce console and open incident matching, when we go to link an incident, the default status of linked incidents will now be changed to accepted. This concludes how to configure and use incident matching in BMC Helix Remedyforce.